Run in the Rainforest. Written by Simon Cheshire, illustrated by Sarah Horn. Ed and Lynn were with their dad. He went to lots of places to take photos. This time, they were in the rainforest in South America. They got out of the boat. Lots of eyes watched them. "It's so noisy here," Lynn shouted. "It's like all the birds and animals are shouting at each other," agreed Ed. Dad was taking photos of some monkeys. A flock of noisy birds flew past. "Look at those parrots," said Ed. "Let's follow them." "Stop," said Lynn. "I'm so hot. I want to go for a swim." "Not a good idea," said Ed. "There are over 3,000 sorts of fish in this river. Some of them might want to eat you for lunch." "Perhaps I won't have a swim after all," said Lynn. "I bet there are dangerous animals hiding in the bushes," said Ed. "They are just waiting to get us." Lynn found a big stick. "I can fight off any dangerous animals with this," she said. Then Lynn spied a big shape moving slowly behind a bush. "Ed," she whispered, "are there big dangerous animals in the rainforest?" "Yes, lots. There is one called a jaguar," Ed replied. "It's like a very big, scary cat." "Why?" I think there might be one behind that bush," said Lynn. A large, spotted head appeared. "Ah!" Ed couldn't remember seeing photos of a jaguar quite like this one in the rainforest, but this animal was huge, and it was coming after him. "Time to run!" The animal was quick. Lynn was as quick as lightning. Dad rushed after them. Suddenly they were in a village. There were lots of people all dressed up. They were dancing and singing. "Run!" Lynn shouted to them. "A huge animal is right behind us! Don't let it get you!" Everyone laughed. Lynn and Ed looked at the villagers and then turned to see what was so funny. They watched as the animal came out of the bushes. It was wearing shoes. "Sorry if we scared you," said a boy. "We made this jaguar for our festival today." "I kind of knew that it couldn't be a real Jack," Lynn said to him. "Jaguar," whispered Ed. "See? This jaguar is friendly," said the boy. "Now come and join in our festival." Ed and me at the Rainforest Festival. We are the jaguar.